Alright, for the next question, number 2. Oh, yeah. Given two vectors, vector A is equal to 6i plus 3j minus k. B is equal to what? 4i minus 5j plus 8k. Alright. Find A plus B, A dot B, A cross B, 2A minus 3B. Alright. So, to solve this, what do we do? Yeah. For A plus B, what do we have? What's our A? 6i plus 3j minus k. You can put it in bracket then plus what? 4i minus 5j plus 8k. Okay. So what do you have? 6 plus 4i, then what? Plus 3 minus 5j plus minus 1 plus 8k. Alright. So what do you have? 10i plus that will be 10i minus 2j, okay, plus 7k. And that's the answer for A plus B. Then what's the next? A dot B. For A dot B, what do we do? Now we pick I and I, we multiply them. No, that's A cross B is a matrix. So the determinant of the matrix. So we pick 6 times 4 plus 3 times what? Minus 5 plus minus k. Is it minus k? Minus 1 times 8. Okay. And that's what? 24 minus 15 plus 8 minus 8. 24 minus 15 minus 8. So that's what? 1. 1. So that's for A dot B. Then the next one, A cross B. We are going to say I, put your I, your J, then your K, right? Okay, the sign, right? Now we what? 6, 3, minus 1. Then the next one is what? 4 minus 5 and 8. 4 minus 5, then 8. Okay? So yeah, let's pick it. That's for I, we have what?
That's 3 times 8.
3 times 8 minus what? Minus 1 times minus 5. I, right? Then what do you have next? Minus, thank you. That's what?
6.
Let's cover this one. Then what do you have next? We have this. 6 times 8 minus, open bracket, what? Minus 1 times 4. K. I mean J, sorry. J, then plus. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's cover this. Then we have this and this. 6 times minus 5 minus 3 times 4. So this is what? K. Then what do you have?
24.
24
That's plus and
Minus 1 times minus 5. That's what? 5.
That's 5. So that's minus 5.
5. Okay.
Into bracket.
I
Minus.
Minus.
So 6 times 8 is 48.
48.
Plus.
Minus 1 times 4.
That's minus 4.
Minus 4.
That's
minus
plus 4.
Plus 4.
J.
Alright.
Minus.
Plus.
Okay, sorry. Plus. Okay, so 6 times 5, that's minus 30.
Minus 30.
Minus
what? 12.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
So that's
24 minus 5, that's what?
That's 19.
19I. Minus what? 52J.
Minus 42K.
Minus 42K. And that's our answer for what? A plus B. Okay. So let's do 2A minus 3B next. Let me run this. 2A minus 3B. Alright, so we have 2. Then input your A. What do you have as A? Oh.
Yeah.
What do you
So
have?
that's
6I.
Minus plus 3G.
Plus 3J.
Minus K.
Minus K.
So minus 3 open bracket 4I. Minus 5J.
Minus 5J.
Plus 8K.
Plus 8K. What do we do next?
So 3 times 2. 3 times. So we open the bracket. So that will be 3 times 6. So it's 2 times 6.
That's what? 12I. Plus what? 6J. Minus 2K.
So that's
minus
that's 12I.
12I.
Minus 15J.
Minus 15J.
Plus 8 plus 24 to the
minus 24 minus 3. So therefore this one is supposed to be plus 1. Using minus 3 to multiply the bracket.
Okay, minus 3
You are using minus 3 to multiply the bracket. No, the minus is not necessary. This is the minus to multiply the bracket. So therefore we don't have this bracket anymore. That will be minus. You can actually do it two ways. It will still come up to be the same thing. But let's do it like this. Let's use only 3. Then minus of the same.
So that's 12I.
Minus what?
12I.
12I.
Minus 15G. We already have not used minus again.
If we are not using minus, then we are going to have brackets.
Yes.
And we are still going to use the minus later. So let's just use minus 3 straight up like this. So we won't consider ourselves. Let's use this. So minus 12I.
Okay, so that's minus 15.
Plus
15.
15J.
Minus
24K.
I use like 3 times 2 times 6 times 16 times 4.
So what do you have?
So that will be so we bring it out again.
12I
minus 12I. Okay, so that's 6
plus 6J.
No, so is it going to be 12
plus 6J.
Yes.
You are taking it. You are subtracting. You are collecting like this.
I know that we are collecting like this. Like, okay. So if I minus 12I, so it's not be okay.
It's still the same thing. If you are saying 12 minus 12 in brackets, I having
yes,
minus 6 plus 15 in brackets, J. You are still doing the same thing. Plus 6 plus 15J, right?
Yes.
Then minus 2K minus 24K. Therefore, what do we have? 0I plus what? 6 plus 15, 21J minus 26K.
Easy